In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the error occurred while launching this game, no licenses. Now the way that you can fix this on Steam is you want to open up Steam, come here, go to settings, in here head over to downloads, clear the cache, and then you want to find the game that you're having trouble with. So let's just say it's Terraria in this case, right click on it, properties, installed files, and verify integrity of game files. Now then what you want to do is just close it down, head over to Google, search for Steam API DLL, and then you want to download this one as well as the 64 one. So if you cannot find the 64, just type Steam 64 API DLL and make sure you open both of these, and we just want to download these. Now just find the download button right here. So I'm going to download this one, and the 64 one I'm also going to download right here. So let's just get this one. It's going to come up here in a zip file, and let's wait for the 64 one, and there we go. Then what you want to do is you want to make a folder on your desktop. I'll just call this one DLL or something. Come here, open up the 64 one, drag the DLL file into this one, and then I want to open up the other one and drag the DLL file in here. Then once you open this one, there should be two DLL files. The one should be 64 and the other one should be without 64. Then what you want to do is you want to find the game that this error occurs on. So let's say it's Terraria. Right click, properties, install files, browse, and then you simply want to come in here and drag these two new files into the game file. If this pops up and you already have them, just press replace, just like this, and now they should be in here. Then what you can do is just close it down, check if it works now. If it still doesn't work, just try and verify once again once you move them into the folder, and then try and launch it. Now it should hopefully work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.